All right, today we're going to dive into how a very specific kind of AI is shaking up one of the most time-crunched industries out there, property management.
Efficiency is everything. So these AI tools, they save both time and money. And the goal, better resident service with less effort.
Since 2021, Aargh says they've saved firms in North America over, get this, 1.25 million minutes, 675,000 emails, forms, service updates.
They're now introducing two new things.
Correct. Resident Responder, which is their AI communication assistant, and Resident Workflow.
Pure automation, getting rid of manual data entry.
Resident Responder, that's the AI communication side. This like 1, 2, 3 process.
Yeah.
You literally just drag an email from Outlook into their responder tool, or you can copy paste the text. That creates what they call a session.
Okay, so
Then boom, the AI instantly drafts the reply for that session. Click it to send, or you can edit it right there if you need to.
if the AI missed something or sounds too robotic,
That's where the manager takes control. They can either edit the draft directly, just like any email, or they can interact with the AI using chat commands.
check commands, you mean talk to the AI?
Yeah, they actually gave the AI a name, kind of a persona, Agent Ashley. This isn't just like plugging into a generic ChatGPT model.
Okay.
Users are meant to actively train the AI. So you can type simple things like, make this shorter. Hey, this draft isn't quite right. Make it sound more like this, or include this specific policy point. It's meant to be iterative. And it gets smarter over time. Every time a manager edits or approves a draft, it refines Agent Ashley's understanding for the next time. It has prompts for different property types. So it seems to understand context like, responding about a condo is different from responding about a rental apartment.
The AI is secure, it's private, and it learns from the documents the company uploads, policies, procedures, that kind of thing.
The training improves accuracy with every interaction.
So you're basically training an AI assistant that speaks fluent your company policy. And for companies already using Rent Manager heavily, there's even tighter integration, right?
Absolutely. Resident Responder is built to talk directly to Rent Manager, so it can access the full account data for context. With the Rent Manager data, the AI response becomes, well, hyper-aware. Let's say a resident emails complaining about a late fee.
Right.
The AI connected to Rent Manager instantly knows. Which brings us to the second product, Resident Workflow, admin automations. It basically combines email to CRM, form to CRM, and notify into one packet. Its main job is to connect the communication directly to the administrative action needed. So it can automatically create a Rent Manager service ticket right from an email that lands in the inbox.
Without anyone manually copying and pasting.
Correct. It grabs the details, even includes any attachments from the email, and creates the ticket. Think about the time saved right there. No more reading the email, switching to Rent Manager, finding the tenant, copy-pasting the issue, attaching files, classifying it.
That's a huge amount of clicks and potential for error removed.
Absolutely. And beyond just creating the ticket, it focuses on proper documentation. It can automatically add history notes for the tenant, the unit, the property, even owners or vendors, right into Rent Manager.
What about requests that come via website form?
It handles those too. If a resident submits a request through, say, the property's website form, Resident Workflow can grab that submission and automatically create the Rent Manager service ticket from it as well.
Okay, that closes another loop. And the last piece you mentioned was notify. What's that about?
Right, notify why. This is about keeping the resident informed automatically. As that service ticket progresses through Rent Manager, when it's created, if it gets updated with notes, and finally when it's marked as closed, the system sends out personalized, automated updates to the resident.
Oh, wow. That's potentially massive.
Isn't it?
Think about how much staff time goes into just managing resident expectations. Fielding calls, answering emails saying, hey, what's the status of my repair?
Any update on my leaky faucet, yeah.
Automating those status updates frees up staff to actually focus on solving the problem. So wrapping this up, what's the main takeaway here for you, the listener, maybe a property manager thinking about this? The overall benefit is this two-pronged attack. Automating the high-volume, often repetitive task of drafting compliant emails.
Right, with Responder.
And automating the detailed manual task of getting all that information accurately into the back-end system, the CRM.
With Workflow, they're tackling the communication bottleneck and the data entry bottleneck simultaneously.